Hi guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged. Since it's been a while since I vlogged, let me reintroduce myself. But before anything else, please excuse my bare face. I just woke up. And no, not literally woke up. I woke up around 5:30 in the morning and I couldn't sleep because I've been waiting for class suspension announcement. And yes, classes are suspended because of Bagyong Wilma. And now let me go continue with introducing myself. My name is Chonsa, not my real name, not my Korean name. I'm Filipino in nature, but Korean by heart. um, my Korean name is Chonsa, and I'm a vlogger based in the Philippines. So yes, I'm a Filipino and a proud Filipino. And for today's video, I will be doing a day in my life as a fourth year college student. No, this video, there might be some clips that are not related to what I do in a day as a college student, but literally my day, my day. Yeah. So, I don't know if that makes sense, but I will now take a shower because I will bring you with me in this vlog. So, this vlog will contain clips that are funny, that are not funny, that are boring, but watch at your own risk, guys. So, see you. Hi guys, so I just finished taking a bath and I just put on a little bit slight makeup, minimal lang. Kasi I will still eat breakfast and I will still brush my teeth. And for today, I don't think we have online classes because we don't have official GCs for our subjects yet. And to make use of my remaining time, I will study for my CHRA retake examination kasi I did not meet the cut-off score last examination for Set B. So I will take you guys with me as a review for my CHRA examination. So right now, I'm getting ready to cook and eat for my breakfast. So I will see you guys later. Okay, so right now, I'm in the kitchen and luluto lang ako ng breakfast ko. I will cook fried rice. So I have cooked rice. Ow! I have... Ang init pala. I have cooked rice here and I also have butter and cheese. I will just experiment with this. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is my own style of fried rice. So I just put butter and cheese. So yung cheese na nilagay ko tong Danes na easy melt cheese and I just experimented it. So I don't know if it tastes good. I'll just update you guys later. Bye! So I will be now trying my own style of fried rice. So let's see if it tastes good. Hi guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. Nag-brush na ako ng teeth, naglagay na ako ng lip tint, and nag-retouch na ako ng makeup ko. Naglagay lang ako ng glitter dito sa eyes. And right now, I'm about to watch TP Dos Santos law school videos. And kasi I really love her law school vlogs. And I really love watching med and law school vlogs, to be honest. So, probably right now, since mamaya pa ako mag-study ng CHRA exam ko, retake examination. So, probably mag-watch ako ng YouTube videos, then Beyond the Bars K-drama, around 2 or 3 episodes. Then, probably knock out na ako. So, after I knock out, I'll be back to studying for my retake examination. So, yeah. Okay guys, so she's TP. I've been watching her law school vlogs since before pa. I really love her law school vlogs kasi ang dami kong natutunan and all. And yeah, I'll be watching. For Netflix, I've been watching this Beyond the Bar. I also like this one, law related K-drama, and yeah, I'll be watching that later. Yung boss is yung mas chocolatey, mas robust. Okay guys, I'm done with... hair ko, sorry. I'm done. I'll be watching in my bed. Provisional recipe. I'm not gonna change the work since when I'm studying downstairs. I don't want to be distracted by ito na nakalagay siya sa akin. Nag-usap ako sa nila siya ng and I try to get off. So then, after I work out. Hi guys, so I just woke up. I fell asleep while watching YouTube. Hindi ko napatapos yung vlog niya, TP. And right now, kakain na ako ng lunch. And after lunch, study na ako for my retake for CHRA. Then, probably, knock out ulit ako. So, yeah. Hi, so I just finished eating my lunch. Nagbrush na rin ako ng teeth and nag-retouch ako ng makeup. Naglagay na rin ako ng lip tint. This is from Caroline, yung Dream cream tint nila. Yung SpongeBob ba yun? But I'm going to accompany my dad. He's going to do some errands and I will be bringing my reviewers with me for the CHRA certification exam. Ito yung mga reviewers ko, guys. Labor code, yan. At saka yung monetary handbook. And I will be showing you how I study them. So, see you! So, these are my reviewers for the set that I did not pass the cut-off score. So, naglagay na rin ako ng study schedule, pero hindi ko siya nagawa. I will start studying today, later sa evening. And naglagay ako dito ng small note lang na parang CHRA na title para ma-motivate ako. So, ito siya. Ito yun. So, yeah. So, for my review today, I will first start studying this Labor Code of the Philippines, renumbered Dole Edition 2022. So, I will start studying this one. Actually, hindi na ako mahihirapan dito kasi nakastart na ako mag-review before. Parang review scan na lang ngayon. Hi guys, so my dad left me in the car kasi he just went somewhere else. and he doesn't want to bring me along with him para mabilis na lang yung business niya. And while waiting for him dito sa car, I brought with me my reviewer. This is the labor code of the Philippines, renumbered Dolly edition. And ganito siya kakapal, guys. So my dad is here na, so let's stop vlogging. So I'm currently reading book 3, Conditions of Employment, and I'm already in chapter 3, Holidays, Service Incentive Leaves, and Service Charges, Article 94, Right to Holiday Pay. And this is very, not that hard, but it's somehow confusing kasi meron siyang rest day, regular holidays, and special days. And I'm somehow confused between regular holidays and special days. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just started studying minutes ago and right now I'm taking a break. I know it's very funny kasi kakastart ko lang mag-study and now I'm taking a break na. But that's how I take care of myself. Even though meron pa akong time, enough time, but if I feel tired, I don't feel I'm productive enough. Even though I have enough time, but I'm tired, I don't feel productive enough if I force myself to work, given my status of being tired already. So I really need to rest in order for my brain to work, in order for my brain to function. So I need to rest. Especially, this is not a joke. This is law related. I'm studying the law. And the law is very, very complex. The law in the Philippines is very complex. I really need to rest. Hi guys, so I just got home and I'm so sorry I wasn't able to vlog while I was outside because my phone was about to go low bat and I was reserving the battery of my phone. So yeah. So anyway, I will be ending the vlog here because I'm too tired to vlog and I just want to rest. I just finished eating my dinner earlier and right now I'm about to take a shower and change my clothes and just watch Netflix and wait for me until I feel sleep. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and yeah. See you in my next video. Bye!